Let's take a look at this problem. We got 2 sine squared minus 3 sine minus 2 is equal to 0. Now all of these are in the same trig function, sine, so we'll try to factor it. Especially since we got a second power squared, we got the first power, and then we don't have a sign here. Now if it helps you to factor these, go ahead and put p or another variable in for your trig function. So this would become 2p squared minus 3p minus 2. Now this will factor. Double check that. It'll factor in this manner. 2p plus 1 times p minus 2. Okay. So I'll come back over here, but instead of p's, we're going to put sine in there. So this factors as 2 sine theta plus 1, and then sine theta minus 2. Okay. Zero factor property. You get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you set each factor equal to 0. So we're going to set 2 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0. And we'll set sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here we'll solve for sine, so I'll take the 1 over. So we've got 2 sine theta is equal to negative 1. And divide both sides by 2, so we get sine theta is equal to negative 1/2. Okay, this is, what is this? 6 pi over 6. So this would be 7 pi over 6. Then 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6. Now this point right here would be, and if I think in terms of my x first, that's going to be square root of 3 over 2, or negative square root of 3 over 2. And my y will be negative 1/2. Now this point over here, in terms of my x, it's going to be, the x is going to be positive. So we'll have a positive square root of 3 over 2. And y will be negative 1/2. Negative 1/2. Now we're trying to find sine, and sine is our y. So here's negative 1/2, and here's negative 1/2. So my answers there would be theta is equal to 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Now the other one. If I solve for sine, I'll take negative 2 over, it becomes a positive 2. Now if you remember our graph, sine bounces back and forth between negative 1 and 1. It's never going to equal to 2, which means this part just drops away. So only two answers are 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6.